Ja, mein Name ist René Casagrande.
My name is René Casagrande, and I am a segment manager in the engine disc production at the company Otto Fuchs in Meinerzhagen in Germany.
Also wir fertigen hier Triebwerksscheiben her.
Here we manufacture engine discs for all major players in this sector. The main focus is on titanium and nickel applications, which entail special requirements in terms of machining processes.
Wir haben hier eine neue Halle gebaut.
We've recently built a new production facility where this machine became an integral part of the plant. There was a requirement for a machine with double spindles to ultimately achieve the efficient production of titanium and nickel components.
Besondere Themen sind die hohe Zerspannleistung, die hier im Vordergrund steht in der
Important aspects are the high cutting performance, which is the main focus in the context of titanium and nickel machining. In this case, it is to underline the high level of automation, where we have complex automation practically from a double ring to the finished product. Also important is the traceability. The fact that there is automatic linking means that traceability is 100% from start to finish. This is also a special feature in addition to the naturally high level of automation and the machining performance, which allows us to achieve significantly faster machining.
Spannung realisieren können. Wir haben uns am Ende des Tages für Niles Simmons entschieden, weil die Zerspannung.
At the end of the day, we chose Niles Simmons because the machining of titanium and nickel components is very challenging, and we were looking for a partner who could precisely meet all these requirements, especially in combination with the aerospace industry, where the demands are even different.
Also aus heutiger Sicht rückwirkend gesehen ist es ein
From today's point of view, in retrospect, it has been an absolutely round project from our side. From the beginning of the order placement and project planning, through the time of construction and commissioning up to today, when series production has been running for almost a year, everything has been positive all around, be it technologically or also in regard to the optimization of the systems and further development. We continue to have the full support and a very great cooperation, and I can say that Niles Simmons is a very good partner in this respect.
sehr guter Partner, was das betrifft.